Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, welcome to One Best Trade. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to place basket orders in Fire's mobile app. Very recently, they introduced new feature basket orders in Fire's mobile app. Come, let's explore how you can place multi-leg option strategies using basket orders, how you can place stock SIP using basket orders. Now let's see how you can place basket order. Just go and click order button and then click baskets. And then add new basket, enter the name, say example you are a Bank Nifty straddle seller, just give a name as a straddle and then create. Since Nifty, Bank Nifty is trading around 35,000, you want to sell 35,000, call and put, just go and select call option and press sell. Then you can modify the product. If you want to sell based on delivery, you can select margin or intraday, and order type also limit or market, stop and stop limit you can select, and specify the quantity and press add to basket. And same, you select the PE, that is put option, and same strike price, same expiry, you just select and press sell button and then add to basket. Now your basket is ready. Press back tab and your basket is ready. Just click it. So you can see two legs. Go and place it. So order got rejected because basket is closed. Now let's go to the next example. You want to create a bull call spread. Just go and press add button or a plus button and then give a name of the basket. Say example you are creating a bull call spread. You just type bull call spread and then press create. So now you're buying 35,000 call option you're going to buy. Press the buy button and then add to the basket. You're going to sell 35,500 call option. You're going to sell it and go and press add to basket and then go to press the back tab. Now your strategy is ready. Just click it. You can see two legs. Go and place it. Order got executed. If you want to reset, just go and press the reset. By clicking, you can also modify the legs also. Now let's see next example. You want to create a 4-leg iron condor. Just go and click plus button. Then give a basket name. Since you are creating a iron condor, just give iron condor and then press create and select the instrument. You are going to sell 35,200 call option. Then press add to basket and then you're buying the protection 35,500 call option as a protection, and then you're going to sell 34,800 put option, and then you're going to buy protection 34,500 put option. Add to basket, press back tab. Your basket is ready. Just go and click it. All the 4 legs are ready. Go and place it. That is how you can execute your 4-leg iron condor strategy. Now let's go to the next example. You want to create a basket for SIP. Just go and press add button, and since you are going to create a stock SIP, just create a name and then add stocks you want to buy. Say example you want to buy ICICI Bank. Just go and press buy button, specify the quantity, add to basket and then select the other stock You want to create an SIP. You want to buy INFI and press buy button. Specify the quantity. Add to basket. And then select another instrument. So you want to buy TCS. Press buy. Specify the quantity. Add to basket. Then go and check. Your basket is ready. Go and place it. This is how you can create a stock SIP also. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe and also share this video. Thank you.